the 2021 Chevrolet Equinox. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient 4-cylinder engine. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, a built-in garage door transmitter, heated seats, heated door mirrors, a power liftgate, and remote keyless entry. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.